It's going to be a real quick video showing you a temperature gauge that I installed on the Rambler, but this applies to any car pretty much. As long as you have a quarter-inch, quarter female thread somewhere on the engine block, it works. And there you can see there's a gauge down there. And this is actually a barbecue gauge. Yep, you heard it right. The gauge is used on barbecue lids. It's actually called Grill Pro Universal Barbecue Lid Thermometer, and it was purchased at Home Depot. Yeah, you heard it right as well. Home Depot Auto Parts. Home Depot for $10. And there you go. There you can see it marks the gauge. It marks the temperature all the way up to 350 Celsius. Obviously, you don't want the engine to go nearly that high. The maximum is 250. That's still pushing it a bit. And as you can see on the OHV engine, you've got two spots there. I put a stainless bolt in that one just to prevent rust and garbage from damaging the threads. And on the other one, I just installed the gauge, and it's just a direct fit. Takes about 5 seconds to install. No, nothing funny, no adaptations, nothing crazy about it. And this allows me to check the temperature of the block while I'm outside the car. I also have a temperature gauge going to the inside of the car. You can see here. But this allows me to have two gauges, and that ensures accurate temperature readings. So it really, truly is a scientific engine here. An engine belonging to a scientist. So I just thought that would be interesting. Interesting install. So yeah, I guess that's it.